This is a video tour of the new Reflection 250 ml. Definitely an awesome floor plan. A couple big changes for this year. Curt independent suspension helps this thing ride a lot better. And then you'll also have the new Curt Helix pin box up here as well. So definitely this thing is all about towability. You're gonna be spending lots of time on the road with this unit, and that's what their thoughts are coming into it. Full ABS brake system like we're used to with the Grand Design Reflections. You have this awesome outside kitchen area here as well. So easy to do some food cooking, stuff like that outside. Heading on in, we've got our set of solid steps. Something I really like that they've thought of this year, you've got an actual spot for your shoes, a seat, and a spot to put your coats. Not something you see very often. Awesome bright layout in here. Nice big windows throughout this unit. Back here, you've got a ton of prep space for all your food needs. Nice big 3-burner stove with our oven underneath, microwave up top. Lots of space and cabinetries here for all your items. Soft close drawers, which is great. Again, lots of cabinet space throughout with that actual dedicated spot for all your silverware. Nice pantry here right beside the fridge too, with lots of space and good sized fridge. We've got our theater seating, looks right at our TV with our 4-person dinette underneath. Can also fold down into an extra sleep spot if needed. Nice little fireplace here too, great for cutting the cold, and that little coffee nook / whatever you want to use it for area. Up top, we've got some great storage options too. Heading up the stairs inside, nice little shower here. Toilet, everything you need with some great storage in it. And then we also have our bed up front here, again, with lots of storage cabinets and items and room for everything. So definitely a great option. Quick video tour, see what your thoughts are on this new floor plan coming out.